This tutorial is for everybody, not just beginners. More of a log drum tutorial. So soon I'll be posting those log drum samples, so stay tuned by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. And comment what else you need, I can make it plain. Now let's nail the beat. Usually I go for free on GMS when I want the deep bass sound for a log drum. When I'm done, I'll go to my effect and use distortion and go all the way down to clip. Now basically this is how I put down my log drum. I tried to make it a little bit too much in the beginning, so this is what I did. And then I go on my normal log drum pattern. If you're all wondering why I'm using this, it's because this boost the log drum. It's more like a log drum bass, like how you put a kick under a 808. So this will help. And after this, I'm gonna put a real log drum on. I don't want it to sound like it's repeating a lot, so the ones that I copied, I delete some other parts and make it look like this. Now that I'm done with that freak, I'm gonna add a log drum, a real log drum. Now let's go into DW sample, then go to my file, then I go to audio where I got them, and I go look for a log drum. I'm gonna use drum 5, log drum 5, yeah. And then I'm gonna take this one and copy it and paste it right here. Done. I'm already done now. It's a nice one now. It sounds better. It sounds like a log drum too. Now let's add a little bit of distortion for the log drum. Should we add distortion? Nah, I'm not gonna add that. Now I'm arranging this part to stretch more because it's not stretching enough. Yes, and this one too. Nice. Now let's add more log drum. This one I'm gonna add a little bit of booster for a log drum. A sound that actually sounds nice. Like this one, I'm gonna copy the same way I did, but then cut all of those that I don't need, like this, and then add a different log drum. I didn't like that one. Now I got a couple few patterns. Like as you can see, this is 4 of them right here. I got the other one here. Now they are less to help the parts that actually need a little bit of boost. hit the notification bell. Now guys, tell me what you think down in the comment section, and comment, subscribe, and hit the like button. Dango.